Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with the support team on Supercell. So let's get started right away. If you are experiencing any problem within a Supercell game, then simply open up this game first. And once you are inside the main menu, you will need to look for the help and support button, which might be within different locations depending on the game. Usually you will find this within the menu button after you tap on settings. Once you tap on the help and support menu, you will be taken into the respective help and support page for the particular game that you are playing. Tap on the message icon at the top right corner and then underneath contact us, tap on leave a message. You will now be taken into the direct Brawl Stars chat support page. Just navigate towards your respective issue and you will be allowed to enter your direct message from the message box. You can send a message back and forth to the support team and they will respond to your queries within just a few seconds. So type in whatever query you have and tap on the send button to receive the appropriate response from the support team in real time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to chat with the support team for your Supercell ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.